The safety light curtain is a safety sensor for human body detection. For this, a separate safety certification has been obtained. In addition, safety functions such as interlock, muting and blanking are available. The product model configuration is as above. Based on detection capability, there is finger detection type, hand detection type and hand body detection type. The SFL series can only be monitored by dedicated software. The SFL-A series can be monitored and parameterized by software. And details of safety-related functions can be set. Select SFL-A to use the blanking function. The model names of the Power I/O cables are as above. The model names of the connector cables are as above. The model name of dedicated communication converter is SCMSFL. Connect the Power I/O cable. The cable wiring diagram is as above. Connect 24 volts to the brown wire and 0 volt to the blue wire. Connect the red wire of the emitter with the red wire of the receiver. Connect the yellow wire of the emitter with the yellow wire of the receiver. The reset input is connected using the B contact switch. Connect OSSD output. Connect the communication cable to the safety light curtain. Run at light curtain. To change setting, enter an administrator password. Click Connect Setting. Check that the communication port matches the communication port number you connected. Click OK. Click Connect. Communication connection is complete. Click Incident Light LV. Received light intensity and OSSD output can be monitored. Click Wiring switch. Input-output status can be monitored. Click Error warning. Operating time and OSSD off count can be monitored. For errors and warnings, you can check the occurrence time, error code, and details. Click Parameters. In Parameters, safety-related parameters and other function parameters can be set.